Hello everyone! Are you looking for a way to improve your English speaking skills, but you don't have anyone to practice with? Well, I have a solution for you. You don't need a speaking partner to learn to speak English effectively. Today, I'm going to share with you a powerful technique that can help you speak English more fluently, improve your grammar, expand your vocabulary, and most importantly, express your thoughts and ideas clearly, all by yourself. Intrigued? Let's dive in. Many people think that to improve their English speaking, they just need to study grammar or listen to lots of audio. While these things are important, they won't actually help you speak if you don't put it into practice. The secret is to speak. So, how can we practice speaking without a partner? The answer is smart imitation. Imitation here doesn't just mean repeating exactly what native speakers say. We're talking about a more advanced technique. Here's how it works. You listen to a conversation, a story, or some kind of speech, and then try to deliver that speech in your own words. For example, let's say you hear someone telling a story about their childhood. Instead of repeating word for word, you try to tell the same story as if it were your own, using different words and phrases. This forces your brain to create new connections and use vocabulary and grammar naturally. If you hear, "When I was a child, my parents would pretend that Santa Claus brought us gifts on Christmas," you could try to say, "When he was young, his parents made him believe Santa brought them presents at Christmas." See how you're practicing the same concept with different words? That's the key. Let's make this even more interesting with the progressive imitation method. This means starting with easy parts and progressing to more difficult ones. First, you start by imitating small portions of speech, like short phrases. Then, move on to larger portions, like long sentences or groups of sentences. Finally, try to deliver the entire speech on your own. This technique helps you train your ears and mind, gradually increasing the difficulty level and improving your speaking skills. You can start by watching a short video in English and imitating it sentence by sentence. As you feel more confident, move on to imitating entire paragraphs. Finally, challenge yourself to give a small presentation or tell an entire story, imitating the style you heard. This technique offers many benefits. First, you learn to form sentences correctly by listening to and imitating proper English. Second, you learn idioms, speaking patterns, and other nuances used in everyday conversations. Third, you learn grammar in an implicit way, without the need to memorize complex grammar rules. When you imitate, you are learning grammar without even realizing it. You're not thinking about why the present perfect is used in a certain situation. Instead, you're focused on understanding and expressing ideas. This is one of the most effective methods to learn grammar and communicate more naturally. For this technique to work, you need to practice it regularly. Choose a video or audio in English every day and practice smart imitation. It can be a movie clip, a podcast, or even a motivational speech. The important thing is to stay consistent and challenge yourself every day. The more you practice, the faster you'll see results. Remember, learning English is like training a muscle. The more you practice, the stronger and more fluent you become. Don't worry about being perfect, progress is what matters. So there you have it. A simple yet powerful technique that you can start using today to improve your English speaking skills. Remember, the key is to start from easy to hard and keep practicing. There are no shortcuts, but with dedication and daily practice, you will get there. Did you enjoy these tips? Give us a like and subscribe to our channel, Hello My Friend, for more content like this. See you next time, and keep practicing.